This presentation explains the model check enhancement that has been added to Primer version 22. In the model check tree view, the error and warning messages can now be assigned a category. A pop-up is available with the categories where we can tick or untick them. This allows filtering the errors and warnings. Only those messages with the categories that are ticked will be visible in the tree view. The categories have to be defined in the Primer preference check tree category list. Once we've done this, they will be available in the pop-up. Now we have to assign a category to each of the error or warning messages. We can do this by simply manually edit the error configuration file. This file lives in the home area, but the location can be changed with the preference error configuration file. We can also access this file by right-clicking in any of the messages in the tree view and then go to Configure Error and click on Edit Config File. This is how I would add preferences to the pop-up. So I added the preference check tree category list. I can add here what I want. For example, fatal, high, medium, low. I save it, dismiss. Then I can simply reread the primer preferences. And now when I do a model check, these preferences will be available in this pop-up. In order to assign a category to these messages, what I can do is to right-click on any of the messages. I will show the tags for convenience. For example, if I right-click on this message with tag con13 and I go to Configure Error and then Edit Config File, I will get a text editor with some instructions commented out. This is explaining that if I delete the $signs of the last two lines, what I will be doing is adding a fatal category to the message with tag con13. This error means that the message is an error. I could change it to a warning, but I will leave it as it is. And instead of leaving the category fatal, I'm going to change it to medium. Now I save the file and close it. Now if I recheck the model, you will see that the message with tag con13 is no longer visible. This is because it is not ticked in the pop-up. If I tick it, it will become visible again. I can also untick everything else, for example, and leave medium only, which means that only this message will be visible because this is the only message that has this category. Thank you.